Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome on tours. I hope you guys are all doing well. We're still in the gorgeous Malta and I'm going to have a little wander around the area that we're staying in, St Julian's. Just come out of our hotel. It's a nice morning. It's a little bit cloudy today, but the morning was really clear. So we got a roof pool. So we was like chilling on there for a couple of hours after breakfast. And yeah, had a shower, sorted ourselves out, and now we're out and about. Well, I'm out and about. I'm going to take a little wander, and then we're going to head to Valletta again. We booked a, I don't know what this car's doing. Let's go this way, fuck it. Oh, sorry. Beg your pardon. So yeah, we booked a roof terrace in a really nice hotel, and it was really, really beautiful. It was like decorated in all its like Christmas decorations, and it was really, really pretty. But they didn't have any availability, so we booked for today. So we're going to go do that. Right, hang on, building work. So yeah, we're going to go there, see the views, have a drink, and then probably come back. I'm going to do some wandering around Valletta because it's a big city. It's the capital of Malta, sorry, if you guys aren't aware. And yeah, give you guys some footage. So if you are new to the channel, my name is Sabrina, part of Wagwan Tours. Me and my partner Kirk, we love traveling and we go out and we film locations we enjoy going to or want to go to and show you guys if it's worth coming or what our experiences are and what it's like. Sometimes we don't do a lot on holiday, we just walk around and see what's going on. I don't really want to go up a hill. But I'll just show you guys. I'm going to spin you guys around and so you can see what I'm seeing. She says, I think my gimbal might be broken. No, there we go. It's 50 times the charm. So look at that, it's really pretty, isn't it, with all the... not sure which way to go. So we just come from that way. Let's go down and round. I'll go to like the main bit. So yeah, we went out last night round here as well. That was all right. It was really, really packed. Wasn't expecting it to be so busy, but it was, yeah, lovely. Really, really good atmosphere. So if you are looking for that, we didn't go too crazy because we've been drinking all day and we've been out in the sun. And I think when it gets to that point, you either have to go full or it's bed, and we chose bed. Right, look at these. Oh, I do like a tiramisu. Let's have a look at this little traditional Maltese bakery. Okay, this all looks absolutely gorgeous. Isn't quite lunchtime yet. But I might have to bring Kirk here and we're going to have some food because it looks really nice. This especially because the pistachio. This is a nice little cafe. Welcome to Giuseppe. There we go, guys. It's Giuseppe's. Right, let's keep going. So, left or right is the question now. I think I want to head towards the water, which I think is that way. Up there I did yesterday. So we're going to go left. We're going to go down. This place here, so lots and lots of churches. I think I spoke about this on a few of the other videos if you have seen them. If you haven't, Malta is very famous for having, I think, more churches than there are days of the year. So you will see a lot. And they do a lot of this as well. It is a shot. So yeah, lots of these sort of deals that you'll see. You can get like 1,000 shots for X amount. We saw a group of lads actually last night get like a massive table's worth, and it was just the blue stuff though. Like if I'm getting that and I want to, like, you know, have a million shots. Then I want like high end, but then whatever. It is what it is. So yeah, we went out last night. That was really nice. One of the places did free cocktails if you're a girl, so that was good. So I got a free cocktail, and it was like a pink gin strawberry one. Really, really nice. Very sweet. Oh, there is a leak in a big river going down the road. Ooh. Oh. I don't know what that was. Right, let's keep going. Little cafe there as well. Right, so that leak has gone all the way down the road. Look at that. Lobster house. How do you like lobster? And you've got like going up towards the bars and stuff. Oh, I spot someone over there. You stalking me? Right, we'll go up here then. So you've got a karaoke club. So yeah, this is going towards more of like the party area. Valletta is still got like a bars and restaurants and stuff. We didn't do much of the nightlife because we came back here. So we stayed out until about, I think 9, 8, 9, maybe 10 in Valletta. Can't actually remember, might have been earlier than that. And then we came back, had a few drinks in the hotel, and then went out here. But yeah, Valletta does have all the bars and stuff. Went to a really cool pub called The Pub. And that was really, really nice. Drinks are really cheap. So Kirk had the local beer, which is called Shisk. It's really light, lemony, fruity beer. Really, really lovely. And I had a glass of red. And it was like €9, so just under, obviously about 8 something. So yeah, really, really cheap. So we sat there for a little while. Probably go back there tonight as well. Yeah, it's just a little pub. Shows the football as well. You've got Malta playing tonight, so that'll probably be good. Little souvenir shop. Right, well, let's end it by getting a souvenir because it was my sister's birthday yesterday, so I want to get her something nice. And as normal, get something for Amber as well. Glasses, let's have a little look. All your typical, you've gone to a souvenir shop, it's all pretty much the same. 4 for £5, that's not bad, is it? It's not really hot in the UK though to get a fan. It's always a magnet, isn't it? Magnet, pens. Pretty, isn't it? Let's have a little quick wander. There you go. I always go for a bracelet. You can't go wrong with a little bracelet. Hiya, I'm fine, thank you. Morning. Oh, I do actually need a new one of these. My one broke, so I might get one of those. Yeah, so it's got everything you need. Nice pretty water bottles. Right, well I'm going to end it here then. So I want to get myself some souvenirs, but I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Really does help the content and helps push the videos and support the work that me and Kirk do. See you guys on the next one.